My name's Jeremy Eavis, I'm the project director for Mace. Marshall Building is a £92 million development for the London School of Economics. It's essentially an academic building, so we've got 10 floors above us, 2 floors below us, and the brief was very much for a high quality building with high quality finishes, external, internal, and an unwritten brief that this is aiming for Sterling Prize. I think it's fair to say that the design of the Terrazzo floor is pretty much what we see now is exactly the client and the architect's vision. And in fact, they've said so much, so we absolutely delivered their vision. This is an in situ Terrazzo floor, which is quite unusual on this scale, so it was quite a challenge for us as a business, just sort of knowing where to start with it, and that's why we came to Lazenby. Working with Lazenby in the project was a very positive experience for Mace, I think everyone involved, and I think probably the biggest testament is that as we come to the end of this project, I've got a team of architects here from Grafton's in Dublin snagging the building. We're coming up with very few snags on this Terrazzo floor, because I think that is a high testament to workmanship. Not many of us are going to be able to turn to another project like this in their careers, so when we have the time to sit down and relax and look around us a bit more, I'm sure we'll take it all in and be very happy with what we've achieved.